I find out that some of you are having challenges of describing the kind of image that you want to create for your folktale stories. So in this video, I'm going to give you this prompt. This prompt you can use to generate these images that you are seeing. So all you have to do is to copy the prompt, then you are going to add what you want to add and remove what you want to remove according to your own taste. But before you add or remove something, let us see what this prompt does and what you can remove and how to edit these prompts. Then at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you will access it and use it. Now, if you go to Microsoft Bing Image Creator and you enter into this box, I'm just going to paste this prompt here. So when I paste this prompt here, so this prompt is saying, if you take a look at it, let's just take a look at this prompt. So from here, if you take a look at this prompt, I said full image of an African beautiful young woman named 𝗕𝗲𝗳. She is 25 years old, dressed in African Igbo Nigerian Ankara attire. So you see, I describe what she is wearing. So I described what she is wearing here. I said she is an Igbo. She is dressed in African Igbo attire, African Igbo Nigerian Ankara attire, and Chinedu, which is the husband. So you see what I'm trying to do. First, I described that she is 25 years old. Then I went ahead and described the kind of dress that she is wearing. Then I also went ahead and said and Chinedu, because this is they are couples. So I said and Chinedu, a Nigerian handsome man wearing Igbo attire. I describe what Chinedu is also wearing, which is the husband, with beads around his neck and red chieftaincy cap on his head. So let's scroll down and see what we have here. And red chieftaincy cap on his head attire. So I now said, I also described the age of Chinedu. I said he is 25 years old. They are couples. So I describe who they are. They are couples looking happy together. The event that is taking place, looking happy together. Then the last thing I added here, which is this, you can see I added realistic. So I want a realistic image. Then I also added this oily image so that their skin will be shiny. Then I also added HD image to enhance the quality of the image that I am going to get. So now if you want to edit this, you can simply edit the age according to your own taste. If it's a Yoruba attire, you can remove the Igbo attire I added there and added a Yoruba attire, as the case may be. So those are the things you can edit. Edit the age, edit the clothes, the kind of dress that they are putting on, and that is that. Now let's tap on create and let's see the outcome of this prompt. And from here you can see the outcome of this prompt. If I tap on any of this image, you can see how bright and shiny the image is. If I scroll like this, you can see how shiny and bright the image is. Let's just scroll so you can see different of them here. So that is how to use this prompt. To access this prompt, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop another prompt, you are going to be notified. Then you like this video and comment under this video that you have gotten your prompt. Now you are going to go to the description of this video. There will be a link under the description of this video. Tap on that link and it will take you to where the prompt is. You just have to long press on the text and copy it. Then you can go and use it. If you want to know how I generated landscape image like this directly from Bing Image Creator, then I will leave a link to a video I did on how to do this under this video in the comment section of this video. You can go and watch that video and it's going to show you how to generate landscape image like this right inside Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Thank you guys for watching and stay updated. I'm going to drop another prompt later on this channel.